I think she has the hiccups. She's been doing this for like 10 minutes. She doesn't want any water though. Do you have the hiccups, Orangey? I think she has the hiccups. She's been making these weird noises. I can't get her to drink any water. I think she just has the hiccups. You see it? Orangey, do you have the hiccups? Orangey, you just have the hiccups? It seems like you do. Hasn't affected your appetite.